video, CYhair show you guys how to make the CO documentaries with the very crucial for your hair business, which will save your tax up to 0% in your country, which is very important if you want to reduce the price you sell and get better profit. And come on now, today I do another CO for our newer customers also in Brazil, in São Paulo. Over here, CO from me, originals. The weight over here is 10 kilograms, and this is the day January of 24. Over here, this is the details that he is buying. 50 centimeters, 60 centimeters in blonde colors, natural colors, Indian wavy in 60s. So if you guys want to make CO documentaries for your countries, just contact CYhair to get the best advice right now. I'm Liam and I will support you for that. Thank you for watching and see you when you out. Thank you.